Welcome to the Station Bakery. Today I am going to show you how to make these cute and easy rose themed chocolate covered strawberries. Start off with some nice fresh strawberries that have been washed, cleaned, and dried. It's important that the berries are completely dry before dipping it in the chocolate. If they're not dry when you dip it in the chocolate, you run the risk of your chocolate clumping. I am using Merkin's brand white chocolate that I have thinned out a bit with melting crystals. Everything used will be linked in the description below for you. I take a fresh berry by the stems, I dip my strawberry into the chocolate and twist it to cover majority of the strawberry. The better you cover your strawberry, the less chance of having seepage and your berry being ruined. Let those sit to dry, and once they are dry, they are ready to decorate. And you guys, when I say that this is the easiest chocolate covered strawberry decoration ever, I mean it's literally the easiest. Besides just dipping them plain, of course, but this is the easiest and cutest way. Once dry, I use poppy paint to draw roses. I use red poppy paint, and I'm just kind of painting it on in kind of a circular shape, not a perfect circle, but kind of like a rough circle. Then I add white, and this is what defines the rose. I draw little white lines in random places in a circular motion around the flower, and it creates the look of a rose. I use green poppy paint to draw on a stem and leaf to add a little flair. You can leave that part off if you want. Just get creative with it and make it your own. And this is how you make beautiful chocolate covered strawberries with roses. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and watch this video next. Until next time, peace.